Hey guys, hope you are doing great. In this video I am going to show you how to grow cucumber in container. Today's date is 16 February 2019 and please make sure to watch the full video because I am going to update the video until harvesting like I do for most of my videos. These are the hybrid seeds and obviously you can grow the local variety, and local is much tastier comparing to the hybrid one, but I went for the hybrid seeds because they are more resistant to diseases and even the different kind of pests. You can also see the type of bag I am going to use, and honestly saying I am reusing these bags. I have already used this bag to grow my winter vegetables and I have video on them too. And I am also going to use somewhat small bag. This is smaller comparing to this one, and let's see how it goes. See, I have filled my bag with the potting mix already, and for the potting mix I am taking this way: 35% of normal garden soil, 35% of coco peat, and rest 30% of vermicompost. Instead of vermicompost you can also use compost cow dung powder. Before sowing the seeds I am just going to pre-wet the soil a bit. Not going to give it too much of water, just simply going to make it somewhat wet. I am going to sow 2 seeds at this time, but I am going to pull out the weaker one, and I would keep only one plant on this bag. And sowing the seeds is really simple, just going to make 2 holes in the center. And now going to keep them like this way. I mean in a flat way, like this way. And you don't have to bury them too much deep, just 2 mm would be fine. 2 mm to 5 mm would be fine, not a big deal. Just make sure not to bury them too deep, otherwise they won't be able to germinate. As you can see, it's really simple. Now I am going to keep the bag on terrace, and definitely it will be getting lots of sunlight. Now please keep watching, and like I said you earlier, I am going to show you the different stages of the growth of my cucumber plants, and at the end you are going to find me harvesting. Day 17, and this is how they look. Today I am going to pull out the weaker plant, and honestly saying it's really difficult thing to do for me, but anyway I am going to do it. However, in some pot there is only one plant because only one seed germinated, and that's why I would recommend you to sow at least 2 seeds in one pot so that you get at least one plant in one pot. On this pot you can see that both plants are looking fine, so I am not going to pull out any plant from this pot, and I will just keep it as it is. Now here is one important thing to discuss with you. See, professional grower recommend to remove the suckers. Now what are the suckers? See, suckers are those which grows from the bottom part of the vine, and it grows, it's a new growth that grow of the main vine, and you can remove the suckers if you like, and that way you are going to have much more bigger cucumber at the time of harvesting. But I am not going to do that because I am already getting the fruits even on the suckers too. But like I said, it's completely your choice whether you want to do it or not, and I am not going to do that. Let me show you how the suckers look like, and I am going to show you in this clip. As you can see, this is the main vine, and you can remove anything that grows of this vine in case you want to remove the suckers from your plant. But like I said, I am not going to remove it anyway. And let me show you the suckers now. Now this is the sucker, as you can see here, and like I said, I am already getting fruit on my suckers too, so I am not going to remove it. So either you can remove the suckers or just ignore it. For fertilizing, you can apply either vermicompost or even compost cow dung powder. Take near about 150 to 200 grams of fertilizer and then apply once in a 30 to 40 days. To apply the fertilizers, you can just remove the surrounding soil from the pot and then just apply the fertilizer, and if you want, you can cover the fertilizer with the same soil, or you can just ignore it. But please don't forget to water your plants just after fertilizing. Second time harvesting, and please note that this is the end part of the video, and today I am going to harvest some more cucumbers. As you can see, 4 fresh cucumbers, so it's a party time for me. So guys, this is all about how to grow the cucumbers in container, and after watching the complete video, I am sure that you also want to grow it, so please grow it. It's really very simple and enjoy in your kitchen. If you have any questions or doubts, simply write down below and I would get back to you as soon as possible. And at the same time, if you have experience of growing cucumbers in container, please share your experience with us so that many viewers along with myself would be able to learn something new from you. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please do me a favor, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And even if you did not like the video, please let me know by commenting so that I can improve myself. Thank you very much for taking your valuable time to watch the video. Have a great day, and before leaving, please also do check out some of my other videos like growing eggplant in a container, and I have lots of videos about the growing kitchen vegetables in container. And please don't forget to watch the video which I am doing on the Sinqua plants. As you are looking right now, they have already started producing the little baby fruit, and hopefully in coming few days they are going to be edible. Thank you once again. Have a great day.